Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I bought this from Amazon. First of all, totally I can say quality is good. Probably there's some few issues. This part is good. It's made with the real high quality stuff, and this is the head also. It's metal, nice quality. This part was nice quality, but handle it has little disadvantage. Sorry, it's a plastic. I'm not sure it's resistant on the scratch or the falling. This part is advantage, but the rest part is work very well and very nice. And here is the cover. Totally I like it, but probably if you compare the famous brand, they are very expensive, but this is less expensive. Probably one of the reasons is they're using this part as a plastic, but quality still seems to be good. Thank you for watching. Bye.
As you can see, this system really looks sharp, but not only that, it really feels heavy duty and well built. So we're going to go ahead and turn the water on so you can see the pressure. Right now I'm really impressed, not just with the shower head, but with the handheld unit also.
No control.